today with social media. Here Yaqub, Jacob, the father of Yusuf, may Allah's peace and blessings be upon both of them and all the messengers. He is telling his son, don't even relate the story to your own brothers, because they might plot against you. Today, we relate our tale to the entire globe by putting it on social media. Wow, do you see the difference? And then when people plot and plan against us, we say, look at this, but you asked for trouble. Didn't you? According to this lesson, it may not be haram to show a few things, but it is definitely wrong to brag, to boast, to show off, and so on. This was not even showing off. It was a dream the boy had. His father saying, don't tell your brothers because they may plot against you. It's my fear. The shaitan is real. Inna shaitana. He says shaitan. He doesn't blame the kids. He says the devil, shaitan, is an outright enemy of man. So my brothers, my sisters, it's very clear. When you show off, it's worse than just relating things. If we're taught to hold back from relating certain things that are not necessary for the world to know because they may plot your downfall, what about those things that people definitely would burn about? And you and I know that. We're living in an age. Some of us do it, and wallahi, I won't lie to you, in order that others burn. Let them burn, post it. Didn't we say that sometimes? Astaghfirullah. Let them see what I've got. Not everything needs to be posted. Not everything needs to be told to the world. Sometimes if you have reason to do it, or there's a closed circle of people, you know they will be happy for you. That's why they say, it's good to give out a charity, a sadaqah. We talk about a sadaqah. Whenever something good happens, mashallah, give out a sadaqah, give a charity. Say alhamdulillah, tabarakallah, mashallah, Allahumma barik lahum, and whatever else it may be in terms of dua and supplication and goodness.